Welcome back to a new video session from Biology Boost Up. Today in this new lecture of video, I going to explain about the cardiovascular system of human body. And in this first part, I going to explain about the heart. So now let's start. Now let's talk about the heart. The heart is a muscular organ in most animals which pumps blood through the blood vessels of circulatory system. It located just behind and slightly left of the breastbone, and it derived from splenomegaly mesenchyme. Now look at the shape of human heart. It is a cone-shaped, with the point of the cone pointing down to the left. 2/3 of the heart lies in the left of the chest. The locations of heart. The heart is situated in between two lungs in the chest, behind the sternum or breastbone, in front of trachea, esophagus and aorta, and above the diaphragm. Now the length of heart is 12 to 13 centimeter. The width of heart is 9 to 10 centimeter, and the thickness of heart 6 centimeter, and the weight of human heart about 250 to 350 grams. Now focus on the groups of human heart. The heart is a hollow structure. On the interior, it divided into 4 chambers. Those divisions create grooves on the surface of heart, and those are known as sulci. There are two types of groups. First one is coronary or atrioventricular groups, and these run transversely around the heart. It represents the wall dividing the aorta from the ventricles. And the second one is aortic or posterior interventricular groups. It can be found running vertically on their respective side of the heart. They represent the wall separating the ventricles. Now let's talk about the wall of human heart. Basically, from the outside to inside, the human heart wall made up of different 3 layers, and those are the epicardium. It is the most external layer of human heart and made up of connective tissue. The myocardium is the middle layer of human heart, and the endocardium, this is the most internal part of human heart, and this layer made up of squamous endothelial tissue. Now let's talk about the pericardium of heart. The pericardium is a thin sac that surrounds our heart. It protects and lubricates our heart and keep it in place within to our chest. The pericardium is made up of 2 main layers. First, the fibrous pericardium, and second one is serous pericardium. The fibrous pericardium continues with central tendon of the diaphragm. The fibrous pericardium made up of rough connective tissue and is relatively non-distinguishable. But in case of serous pericardium, this enclosed within the fibrous pericardium. The serous layer is itself divided into two layers. The outer parietal layers that lines the internal surface of fibrous pericardium and internal visceral layer that forms the outer layer. In between two layers, that is parietal and viscerals, there are an cavities which is called pericardial cavities, and it contains a small amount of lubricating fluid. This fluid keeps the heart in place within our chest, and this fluid also prevent the damaging of heart by friction which is produced during the contraction or relaxations of heart.